Thank you, teachers everywhere, for truly caring about your students, whether they're inside the class or outside the class. You're amazing at what you do, and I can't imagine a more important job, and we truly appreciate it. Thank you.
Grazie a tutti gli insegnanti per tutto quello che fate per i nostri figli anche in questi momenti difficili. Grazie ancora.
Thank you for all the teachers and your true dedication. Every year you go above and beyond, preparing and stressing over every detail, aiming to get it just right for your students. And this year has been no exception. You've not only taught in new ways, but you have learned so much yourself in order to be able to do that. So for this, and for every single thing you do, just a massive, massive thank you.
Hallo, vielen Dank an alle Lehrerinnen und Lehrer für ihr Engagement.
Thank you to all teachers for your relentless dedication to our kids during these challenging times. Look, in the blink of an eye, you were forced to change every aspect of your daily routine and come up with a brand new way to educate our kids. Man, you did this without a second thought. And for that reason, along with the countless other reasons, you are the real heroes these days. Thanks.
Liebe Lehrerinnen und Lehrer, vielen Dank für Ihren unermüdlichen und täglichen Einsatz. Daumen hoch.
A huge shout out and a massive thank you to all the teachers and educators out there. Look, we really couldn't do this without you, and we know that the work that you do is not easy, and this year more than ever, people have sort of garnered this amazing appreciation for teachers. We celebrate you. Thank you for being inspiring. Thank you for teaching the next generation, and thank you for all the work that you guys do. We think you're amazing.
Thank you to all teachers for your incredible inspiration and support. I owe my teachers an incredible debt of gratitude. I went to a really bad high school in a really bad neighborhood, but my teachers believed in me, and they're the ones who helped me get to Stanford and put my way through. I'll always remember that, and I'm sure there are a ton of your students out there that would just love, years later, to say thank you for everything that you've done. I know I'm incredibly grateful for everything all of you do.
Thank you to all teachers for the impressions that you make, the passion for learning that you spark, and for inspiring greatness.
Thank you to all teachers for your dedication to the success of all students, your creative spirit, and your willingness to step up and meet any challenge thrown your way. Your work is seen and recognized. Thank you for all that you guys do.
I would like to take this opportunity to share my greatest appreciation to all the teachers. I'm going to try to use 7 languages I learned from Asia to say thank you, teacher. 谢谢老师 Sensei arigato 感恩 Teikusa Terima kasih guru Kamkwin Kakwinku Kamsahamnida Deniva Shikshak. Thank you, all the teachers.
Thank you to all the teachers for your perseverance and your compassion. Change is tough, but you are tougher. Our children need your love and leadership, and sometimes parents like me need it too. Thank you again for all that you do. Vielen Dank.
Gracias a todos los docentes por trabajar día a día con nuestros hijos y ayudarles a encontrar su pasión y lo que realmente les motiva a seguir adelante y a conseguir sus metas.
To all of my children's teachers, both past and present, thank you so much for loving my children like they're your own.
We love our teachers because they help us do math, lunch, and help us play together.
Thank you, teachers, for everything that you do. We appreciate all the things that you do now and always, whether it's teaching social emotional skills, whether it's teaching students academic skills. Thank you for everything you do and leaving a lasting impression on our students' lives.
Hey, thank you to all the teachers out there. I mean, being able to teach from anywhere and be flexible and still engage students and make it exciting to learn, you guys are the real heroes.
Teachers, the past few months have been a challenge. Whether you have children, pets, or are alone, home offices and blended learning aren't easy. That's why we want to say thank you. You've continued to help students discover their potential through the distractions, barriers, and discovery of new ways of learning. So thank you for dealing with everything that happens at home as you go back to the classroom. Seriously, thank you.